I watched a video Anyi Don's only Chakamelu, and the Igbos are pretending like they did not see that video. We are pretending like we did not see that video. I'm only for naming the Igbo. Emanani Igbo, or do Kayase. I'm only for naming the Igbo. So na ni Igbo. So na ni Igbo akumuneu. Ya that true Igbo because you share different ideology with them. So na ni Igbo not entitled to your own opinion. So na ni Igbo ka mmadụ ihe nwere ife okwetara na achọkwa ume ma ngbo nwa ahụ na nke ikwetara. So na ni Igbo ka choices you make for yourself will be bothering another man to the point that even your life you are at stake because they make a choice different from another person making, and it is gradually becoming the order of the day. Sometimes I want the image as the Biafran government here. Na ya no mpo we can image the Biafran government here. If in the Nigerian government ya worry angels ya wo ebu na ya no na share because ebe Nigerian government nwere I am very freedom na eburi fe solai to some extent I can very freedom ide eburi fe solai I will reach I am atakwa Lagos si Mutara Mohammed airport jewalu mai. So many of us na-eme ịnọrọ na Facebook batch ndị Yoruba ndị Hausa na ndị otu ha ịbatakwa Lagos kpagharịa jee Ugwu Hausa jee ebe niile jekwa zụọ afịa kpagharịa n'onwe na. There are thousands of Igbos, if not millions of Igbos, living in Lagos, despite every single thing I want ndị Igbo na-ekwu na Facebook. But we still have millions of ndị Igbo living in Lagos, trading in different markets in Lagos, owning properties in choice areas in Lagos. Yet, the Yoruba ala shabola one morning that si I need ona kwakọrọ ngwongwo na. But look at onye Igbo kwugharị ọnụ jee paaki mere video na-asị Anyi Don kwuo ebe ọ gbasara ụkwụ. Kedu ife Anyi Don's choices when to do with your own? Kedu ife choice Anyi Don's when to do with your own? It's a question I'm asking. Look at the other day, Obi Cubana chief priest identified with City Boy movement. It was a crime that they took a decision had to entitle to 100%. How is it your business? Zenkofa identify with City Boy movement. You don't identify with City Boy movement. I support Rumpito Obi 100%. 100%. But I cannot use my own choice. Jeffos was Zenko. Na Zenko ye believe we na the same thing we believe. Only right, no choice to even choose anybody or also any choose one outside. Obasa how? You want to do? Or wanna organize their City Boys movement. What we need to do is to organize a movement supporting Peter Obi. When if also how are they making their effort? How are they making our own effort? You cannot bend them. It is now becoming a tradition na Igbo. The fact is that no day you even find our Igbo brothers seeing it as normal or called the normal. Ndị Igbo can never learn. Ndị Igbo so that them follow. They can never learn. Repeating the same mistake every time. Ogo na so munai I know munai ya dano. I know onye pota onye buduru nwanne ya owodogu. I want to know the crime of Anyi Don's. I threatened there when I make crime here. Anyi Don's will go that care openly identify with City Boy movement. Is that not his choice? It is his choice. On that particular day, Anyi Don's will only one vote. He can influence people as much as you can influence people. You cannot force him. Mana, we are gradually turning into dictators. We are gradually reducing Anigba to a territory of dictatorship, where nobody is free to identify with any people who should identify, where people will choose your choice of something, then force swear down on you that you must adhere by it. I know gradually. It is gradually becoming a tradition. I know injustice anywhere or somewhere is injustice everywhere. You may think that today no rute but tomorrow you may not know. In the kitchen today, no affect tomorrow. Once they support that injustice today, tomorrow definitely let us be building ourselves into why. It is becoming a tradition in Igbo now that you cannot peacefully make your own choice and live by it. Other people must try to influence it. Other people must try to force it. Meanwhile, Nigeria, I be there. A pussy guy. Look at the open Ayana Pumaka marginalization. Lagos. Imagine what will happen if Nigeria as a whole or Yoruba nation as a whole will defeat I know why na Igbo before one Igbo ebo na no one in the injustice in a fight somewhere na Lagos. You are melting the same fate on your people back home here. Sometimes I don't feel if I will Allah am Maui. Can you even want to na Anyi Don now when he came na mmadụ ya dey threatened there because of no make choice. J Parker Bogotana say Anyi Don ni na etu okwu de webe ikwu. What is your business with Ebo? Be very mindful of ebe ngwakwu. Forget about ebe nyamwakwu. Ebe nyamwakwu choices here. Ocho or make a known, Ocho or you make a known, Ocho or Ocho body that like this. It is not your business. It is his life. It is not your life. And everything only made direct now, according to fundamental human rights, yeah? Government infringe on your own in Abba. Other people infringe on your own in Abba. But you want to come and dictate for another person. Wow. Each and every one of us power. We will even do worse than these people. I am telling you the honest truth. Because any power, you will write the rules, you will state the rules, and then anybody that contrary to rules that it will be your own rule against general rule. Or even the reason Igbo today, no matter who choice here or able belong or one wahala by fire by force, no one to acquire well. Meanwhile, we end up naturally they make good choices, but we become negligence to duties I suppose to read them in order to achieve what we are pursuing. How many of you Igbos have genuinely come out? The Tinubu campaign or when a city boy movement or has even structures even needed. Can you get a repeat? Tell me one. Can you get a repeat? Apart from going to event to go and listen to beautiful speeches, what is that on the ground that is going on physically to build more structures for him? Tell me one. Apart from sharing his speeches on a year, beautiful speeches, if I must say. Apart from sharing it, tell me what is physically happening on the ground. You can see what even Bola Tinubu is doing right now, even though the election got followed. You can see it, you are seeing it kolo or don't joke. Yeah, tell me one. Tell me one beautiful structure. Intimidating to people. We end up fighting people who has made their choices, that we neglect what we should do to make people to also make our own choices. There are something we can do to make people to see reason in what you are saying. We neglect that. We neglect that. Mobilization. They have started mobilizing. You are criticizing people that buy in their idea of mobilization, and you are not doing anything for yourself yet. At the end of the day, Ibaka is a election. So some Igbo pụta so na nwa anyị ka anyị na-anị mụsụ ndị Igbo na-ebusisi onwe ha, ndị Igbo na-eme onwe ha, ndị Igbo na-anụ ọgụ, ndị Igbo na-anụ ọgụ, ndị na-eme ife a na-eme action, anyị Igbo na-anụ ọgụ na-ebusisi onwe anyị. Onye kwugharị ọnụ chamụ na nwe city boy movement ọwụrụ na crime na mmadụ in a country where we practice multi-party system and everybody has the right. It is you now who want to disenfranchise somebody else. You want to disenfranchise somebody else by telling him no more right. He vote. You even want to tell him the reason why you weapon at that movement. Is it your business? I want you to understand that it's not your business. Decision will be Kubana take it. He's entitled to it. Nke take it. You are entitled. For the mono they put yourself when you vote card. For the mono, I'm not here to vote. You have never voted since you remember election. You have never participated in any voting exercise. But you want to now dictate to other people who are always actively involved. Yeah? I don't know. Use one this time and a mefa way educate our people. Use one way prepare our people. Instead of you use a nanusa people of go. Yeah? One day put on because one day Oluna even the strangers one no or too comfortable there. Anyi Don so that was here. Oluma kumunne bapuna nibo. Bwana kuzie nde Lagos. They don't know the Lagos. Yeah? One day put was here. Or you feel secure among kumunne. Or feel secure among strangers. Yeah? And if one channel which will measure the video, if also the back of I don't so buy your baby. Can you focus on the ball? Make your own choices. If he has made his own, make your own choices. Yeah? This thing is gradually becoming too much. We say no threaten, no they make people. Yeah? Mother you busy do freely. Mother you make his choices freely. Even some choices your parents make in you refuse gonna have nowhere. How you make your decisions. For the moon, your parents will make a decision of wife. Your own wife. Now, what is happening now? We are bringing that same thing back now on a wider scope. To fear. I've never seen. That is why it is difficult for us to achieve anything. That is why it is difficult for us to achieve anything. And